Well, welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel where we demonstrate china, currently just being listed and placed on the Vintage and Antiques website. And an interesting little teapot, not a piece of Staffordshire, is what we normally list on our particular specialist website for teapots, but this is actually a Swiss-made little piece made by a company called Thun. And let me just get that china mark up for you. An actual stamped and fired china mark there, Thun, with a little sort of moon and star, and I don't know whether that's an M or a letter 3. I'm not a particular expert on their china marks, so we'll do a little bit more research. And a original sticker there, which looks almost like a stamp with a number 3 with a / hyphen, so that's either 3 Swiss francs it was sold for, or can't be €3 because I don't think this was manufactured in that period. It's a tiny little teapot, probably holds about a third of a pint, beautifully decorated, and these are sort of almost moulded onto it. Same with the handle detailing, absolutely gorgeous. Got a feel of Majolica around it, but this is more a sort of brown Betty, sort of the underlying pottery that's been used for it. Nice little rest for your thumb on here. The only condition notes we've got to draw your attention to on here, a little bits of damage to the glaze around here. There's a clear chip on this side of the spout, and again the brown glaze decoration around this spout's taken a little bit of a knock during its life, so that is a slight condition note we must draw your attention to. The actual lid itself, tiny little thing, again tiny little chip just here, just palpable. It's not really very deep, sits very nicely, got a clearly marked vent on the top of it, and a beautiful looking thing, absolutely stunning in terms of the colour palette and the high glazes that they've used on here. If it wasn't for that damage around the spout, it would be in almost fine vintage or antique condition. We're going to do a little bit more research on this because, as I say, it's not something we've handled before, to find out some date range for its production and all those details, including the measurements. But just to show you how tiny this is, I mean, look at that, just coming in at just 6.5 inches from one end to the other, and the body of the teapot no more than 2 inches, coming up to about 3.25 at the top of the handle. So it's a very dainty, wee little teapot, more for display and its beauty as a thing of art rather than a practical teapot that you're going to use. Link description below will take you through to our website listing. Do follow that through and it should give you all the details, measurements, some more research information as we find it on the Thun little teapot being listed on the Antiques website. Thanks for watching.